So this is a question from Resnick and Halliday. This question involves the concept of making free body diagram, that is FBD, the concept that you learned in Newton's laws of motion last year. And then you have to club in the concept of electrostatics, make FBD of this any one of the charged particle. You have to consider electrostatic force, gravitational force, and the contact force of normal with the surface. And since this particle is in equilibrium, then you have to find the relationship between electrostatic force and force of gravity mg. So I am giving you 1 minute, you try. तो आई एम श्योर आपको अब ये समझ में आ गया होगा इसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, रेस्ट ऑफ द कैलकुलेशन इज इजी. k q square by r square cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to mg half. Half and half is now you are supposed to find out the value of q. So q will be equal to, this is r square mg r square upon root 3 q whole under root. Okay, this is how you are going to solve it. Chalo, let's do next problem. I'll give you 30 seconds to write it down.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
done.
Yeah, tell me. Has anyone done it or could do it? किसी को डाउट है ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करें? रेज हैंड. डाउट है सबको? सबको डाउट है? उमंग घेटिया, शिव पटेल, सबको डाउट है? उमंग डाउट है कि क्या है इसमें? अच्छा ठीक है, तो चलो मैं समझाता हूँ कैसे करना है. ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर हमको एक रॉड दे रखी है. ठीक है, ये जो रॉड है, ठीक है, उस रॉड की जो लेंथ है, ठीक है, so this is the rod and this is your point P at which you wish to find out the electric field. इसकी जो लेंथ है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर दे रखी है और इस पे जो चार्ज है वो दे रखा है +50 माइक्रो कूलम. Okay, and it is given that this charge is uniformly distributed. That means it will have a defined value of lambda. What will that value be? That value will be 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 microcoulomb. Okay, 50 microcoulomb, and the length is 10 centimeter. That means which is 0.1 meter. So your result will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb per meter. Okay, so this is first thing that you need to calculate. What is the value of lambda? Now second aspect is you have to find out this distance d. It is given that this is also 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. Okay, the point is at 10 centimeters away from both the ends of the rod. So this is the end of the rod. यहाँ से इस point का जो distance है वो 10 centimeter दे रखा है. That is why this is a what? The 3 points, that is the two ends and the point P, they form a right angle triangle. So from this we can calculate the value of D. What will that value of D be? 10 sine 60, because this angle is 60 degree. 10 sine 60, which is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Is this clear? This can be written as root 3 by 20 meter also. Okay, so this is what the data that has been given to you. Now the two angles alpha and beta that you are supposed to put in the expression of the electric field that we had calculated yesterday. Okay, you can see that this angle alpha and beta both are equal by symmetry, and this angle will be 30 degree, or you can write this as pi by 6. Okay, now because the value of alpha and beta is equal, therefore the EX term will become 0 because it contains cos alpha minus cos beta. So this term will be 0. That means there will be no electric field in this direction. It is 0. But there will be some electric field in the y direction. So let's say this is your y direction. This electric field in the y direction will have a magnitude Ey is equal to k lambda by distance d into sine alpha plus sine beta. You remember we have done this yesterday, this derivation. So when you put the value of sine alpha and sine beta as half and half, and you add them up, you will get 1. That means the value of Ey is only k lambda by d.